PC gaming handhelds have been on fire since Valve dropped the Steam Deck in 2022. Since then, big names like Asus, Lenovo, and MSI have jumped into the game with their own handhelds. Among these, the Asus ROG Ally has really stood out with its awesome performance, fantastic screen, and broad app and game compatibility, all thanks to it running Windows. But let's be real, the original ROG Ally wasn't perfect. Asus heard us and is now set to release a revamped version, the ROG Ally X. They teased us earlier this month with some key upgrades like better battery life, more storage and RAM, and a few design tweaks. The full details were supposed to drop next month, but guess what? We've got some juicy leaks to share right now. Thanks to video cards, we've got the inside scoop on what the ROG Ally X will bring when it hits on June 2nd. First up, the battery. It's now an 80 watt-hour beast, doubling the original's capacity. This means longer gaming sessions without scrambling for a charger. Design-wise, it looks pretty similar to the old model, but with a new D-pad design. They're calling it a Precision D-pad, which is supposed to last for 5 million cycles. Same 7-inch IPS display at 1080p and 120 Hz. And the powerful AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme APU is sticking around too. But here's where it gets even better. The new console is packing more RAM, jumping to 24 gigs from 16, and it's faster RAM too, with LPDDR5X boosting speeds from 6,400 megatransfers per second to 7,500. This should make everything run smoother and faster. There is a small catch though. The new model is 70 grams heavier and a bit thicker, but that's a small price to pay for these upgrades. One more cool change is the switch from the ROG XG mobile port to a USB 4 Type-C port. This makes the device more versatile and future-proof. If these leaks are legit, the ROG Ally X is shaping up to be an awesome upgrade that'll keep us happy until the next big thing. Pricing rumors suggest the new model could be around $799, which is $100 more than the current top model. It's a bit of a bump, but with all these new features, it might be totally worth it. That's all I've got for now. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest gaming tech, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe. I'm excited to hear what you think about the new ROG Ally X. Catch you in the next video.